Hey everybody, thank you for joining me and for taking this class. It is very important to take safety on a construction job site very seriously, and by taking this class, you show that you have, and you do. And so I thank you very much for taking this pretty long journey to go over all of the OSHA standards, be very proficient with them, be able to take a test, and to show that you understand. And at the end of the day, this is all about you going home safe from work at the end of the day. So let's go. Sound effects. All right, so this module is all about helping you to understand why OSHA was created. So this module is all about the introduction to OSHA. It's pretty much just designed to tell you and help you understand and help you look through the information that we have provided to help you understand what OSHA is all about and to be able to pass these tests and have a good understanding. The good thing, or maybe the bad thing, about studying in this way and also having to spend the hours is that you get a proficient understanding prior to sitting down in class, and you kind of know what to expect. Okay, so intro to OSHA. In this class, you're going to be exposed to a lot of information that tells you what OSHA is and what the purpose of OSHA was and is. Why did we need the OSHA standards? What has OSHA accomplished? And what is covered by and it's called the OSHA Act. Okay, and when you review all that information, it'll be very clear. And and we will also review in class. So keep that in mind. Okay, and most importantly, we're going to show you what OSHA means for your business, which should be a very positive result, which means, you don't waste money, you don't incur unseen costs because of injury, workers' comp, that kind of thing. And, most importantly, it shows your employees that you care about their safety. Okay, so a couple of questions this intro to OSHA is going to answer. And so you're going to go over OSHA's role in the prevention and the elimination of work-related illnesses and injuries. Okay, you're going to review information so you will know your employees and the employer's rights and responsibilities. You'll go over the process of an inspection. What takes place when OSHA inspects, and that's very important. And you know what to do and what not to do, okay? Also, we'll give you information on, especially for management, on how you can get information to teach the classes on your own and have all the information you need, all the paperwork, all the handouts and everything that they provide for the students. You'll be able to, by the end of this class, have a full understanding on how to protect your company's assets from liability. And you will know what to do in terms of safety on the job. You'll know how to prepare a work site. You'll know how to prepare the office, okay? And most of all, and lastly, you'll keep your company safe and injury-free. So with all the modules, we'll have a short introduction by me on what to do. And then there is a link to all of the module information that you have to complete in total, because you come back to the main sheet where you take the test. And if you have any questions, there is a form for you to complete, comes right to the office, and we will go over that and make contact with you. And please wait until you are notified upon successful completion of your quiz and test before you go on to the other module, okay? So, intro to OSHA, why do we have it? What are some of the responsibilities involved? employers' responsibilities, employees' responsibilities, the inspection process, where to get study material, forms, and documentation for the company. Okay, and so good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.